Namaskar. To nourish and rejuvenate your hair without harsh chemical, I'm going to give you 3 hair mask variations that you can make at home. You may find most of the natural ingredients used for these hair masks easily. They are avocado and olive oil, rice water and coconut milk, and hibiscus and coconut oil. First, avocado and olive oil hair mask. Avocado is a natural source of vitamins and healthy fat that can help moisturizing and nourishing your hair. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer that can help protect your hair from damage. Together, they make a powerful hair mask that can help restore shine and manageability to dry or damaged hair. You will need one ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix with the olive oil until the mixture is well mixed. Apply this mixture to the hair, making sure to cover the ends. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse the mask with cool water and then with mild shampoo. Second, rice water and coconut milk hair mask. Rice water is a rich source of amino acid, again vitamins and minerals that can help nourish and strengthen your hair. Coconut milk is also a natural moisturizer that can help restore shine and soften your hair. This nourishing hair mask can help promote healthy hair growth and reduce breakage. For this mask, you will need half a cup of rice water, 1/4 cup coconut milk, and mix this rice water with coconut milk until it is well combined. Apply this mixture to the hair, making sure to cover the roots and ends. Leave the mask for 30 minutes to an hour. Rinse the mask with cold water and then mild shampoo. Third, hibiscus and coconut oil hair mask. Hibiscus naturally conditions and strengthens your hair. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can help protect hair from damage. This combination in a hair mask can help bring the shine back to your dry or damaged hair. Take half a cup of hibiscus flower, 1/4 cup coconut oil. Blend the hibiscus flower. Mix the blended hibiscus with coconut oil until the mixture is well combined. Apply this mixture to your hair, making sure to cover the end. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it out as usual with water and mild shampoo. These natural hair masks are easy to make and can be customized to your hair type and needs. But remember, it is always important to do a patch test before using any new hair treatment to make sure that you are not allergic to any ingredients. Try one of these masks today to achieve beautiful healthy hair without harsh chemicals. Nourish and strengthen your hair using natural ingredients which are easily available. Namaskar.